Alright, this tutorial will show you how to access the assessments on the CPM website. So as always, we're going to start with ebooks.cpm.org. You're going to click on your course. In the lower right hand corner, you'll see CPM assessment. You want to click on that. So it'll take you to another page at the top where it says download sample tests. That's where we're going. Download sample tests. Now on the left hand side, you'll see the courses listed out. You want to be sure you select Core Connections Algebra 1. From there we have Chapter 1, either individual or team assessment. So let's look at the Chapter 1 individual. You're going to download the assessment. And here is Chapter 1 assessment, the individual assessment. If you want the answers, scroll down a little further back on the assessments page. You should see answer sheets. You can download the Word document. And here are the answers.